Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Anjali. Welcome to your first mock PI. I'll introduce you to the panelists who will be taking a mock PI today. So we have Taruna Vasu ma'am. She is an associate director and head of department of School of Fashion Design at UID. We have Abad Ali sir. He is a business head of Pahel Design, also a management expert with more than 12 plus years experience into the industry. So I would request the panelists to please start the interview.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Anjali, would you like to introduce what kind of background you have and what course you're going for?
Okay, sir. First of all, thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Anjali Pandey, and I was born and brought up in Varanasi, which is also known as spiritual ground, uh, which crosses the holy river Ganga. Now coming to my family, I have four members in my family, including me. My father is a lecturer in a well-reputed college, and my mother is a homemaker. Um, my now coming to my educational background, I have completed my schooling from St. Patrick's School, Varanasi, and did the bachelor's from in commerce and did the
Okay, Anjali,
graduation in commerce.
calm down, relax. It's
Yes, sir.
fine. Just relax. You
Yes,
just do not have
and
to
I'm
mumble up, right? Do not have to mumble up. Just relax, answer properly. It's fine. You just
yes,
need
sir.
to be. You don't need to be hurry, right? You just calm down.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So,
sir.
which course you going for?
Sir, I'm going for an MFM, Masters in Fashion Management.
And why so?
Sir, because while pursuing BCom, I've understood the market structure and I'm good with the numbers. So I wanted to enter into the business side of the retail and fashion industry, um, and work as a retail manager in a well-renowned company. So I opted for this course.
Okay. So, do you think like MFM will help you out to have some kind of future perspective of yours?
Yes, sir.
Is it your
I do
choice
believe.
or someone else you ask you to go for it?
No, sir. I do believe that MFM is a course uh, which will help me to develop my leadership and managerial skill in the field of fashion. So I do think that it is the best course
Can you
for
just
me.
let me have idea about what fashion means?
So fashion has everyone has different perspectives about fashion. For me, fashion means um, styling means. Sir, can I speak in Hindi?
No, I don't allow actually. Please continue. We're very good with English. Please go ahead.
Yeah, yes, sir. So for me, fashion means whatever you are from inner side, that is fashion. Means how you are means how you are going to represent yourself to someone.
Okay, Anjali, please calm down. I'm again telling you, it's not about better क्या होता है? You when you going for an interview, but obviously you get nervous, right? But it's
Yes,
not about
sir.
you need to understand. You're into
Yes, sir.
PI, you're handling with the phone. As much you'll get nervous, your phone will shake up, right? So try to calm down first yourself, right?
So I do understand, but whenever I get nervous, my voice starts stammering.
You want to take a slip of water if you have around.
No, ma'am, it's fine. Thank you so much.
It helps.
Yeah, actually it helps, right? Can you tell me something which is very famous in Varanasi?
Yes, mainly Varanasi is famous for muslin silk fabric, um, and
Muslim.
uh, and we have a Banasi zari saris, and we all know that uh, there are so many temples that foreigners used to visit every day. Then we have Ganga Aarti
That's
during
actually
evening
very
time.
famous. That's
Yes,
actually
sir.
okay. Do you know anybody very famous person who is elected from this your Varanasi?
Yes, sir. Our Honorable Prime Minister is our Member of Parliament, Mr. Narendra Modi.
Okay, okay. So, what kind of food do you like there in Varanasi? What are the famous foods you have?
So we have Raj Kachori. Then we have then aloo chaat. Aloo chaat is very famous there. So that's also.
Ma'am, over to you. It's fine.
Okay. Um, so Anjali, you want to get into retail and that sector. Do you
Yes,
know what is the size or scale of fashion industry in India?
ma'am. That I don't know.
You're going to get into the sector. What if it is too small?
No, ma'am. Actually, I think that the means what to say, ma'am. How to say?
If you want,
It's okay.
so what?
Whatever you want to say, just say freely. Don't worry. Whatever you know, just say. If you don't know, it's okay. Also, say I'm not so sure about it.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I have little knowledge about it, and I'm working on it.
So, do you follow the retail brands and do you understand what's happening in fashion across the world? How do you get your information and news about fashion from?
Ma'am, I got means my father has a friend who is working in retail industry. So I do think that this is a means best, and as I have always wanted to join.
He's in retail industry or involved with fashion.
Yes, no, ma'am. Just a normal store.
Okay.
Please, yes, ma'am.
So, retail industry in India, especially, is growing at a phenomenal pace. Not only the Western brands and from the entire world is eyeing at India for the retail space. Of course, Indian brands are also getting in. So, could you tell me which are your which are your preferable retail brands that you shop?
Ma'am, mine has the no favorite brand because I'm dependent on my parents. So I usually used to wear clothes from normal stores itself. So that's why, ma'am. As I'm not earning, so I don't have any favorite brand.
Okay, but do you see certain brands on the internet or something and search and see, okay, maybe I can't buy, but at least let me, I like to see their clothes. Or do you follow something on Instagram or something? Are you on social media?
Yes, ma'am.
You are. So you must be on Instagram maybe.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
do you follow the work of certain people that, I like this, or I want to see how this brand is developing or going, or can you name any two Indian brands?
Uh, India brands. We have a Biba
Mm-hmm.
and Global Desi in ethnic wear brand.
You know whose brand is Global Desi?
Uh, um, that Anita Dongre.
Right. Okay. I think that's good enough, Anjali. I feel you have to be more confident. You do
Yes,
know,
ma'am.
you have a sense. Of course, you need to improve your awareness a little bit more. So, which you do not need to worry about. All you have your phone right now with you. So you just need to start doing your Google search and you will know more about things. But you do seem to have an inclination. But what's coming across is that, thoda underconfident ho. So the only way you can walk over this underconfidence is by increasing your awareness slightly.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
make
That
an
I
effort to
totally.
do that. Secondly, for your next interview, is it possible, or for your actual interview, do you have a laptop?
Yes, ma'am. I do have
So
laptop.
please ensure that you use your laptop because you have a tendency of moving and that's very distracting. So
Okay,
the
ma'am. I'll
phone is
be.
also moving along with it. So your screen was so today it's fine, but it's a strict no for your actual interview. Okay. And
Okay.
you can go ahead with English, no worries with that. I just feel slightly more research about the fashion industry's statistics. The moment you type, you will get certain answers. So, what are the segments? What are some brands? The upper ki cheez at least build your awareness. Otherwise, it's fine. You know about Banaras. You know about you understand Banaras well. So that's good. Similarly, just
Yes.
search and know for fashion.
That's very correct, Anjali. You need to understand. I mean, see, it's all about your presentation and the first impression which comes to the interviewer in mind, right? So it's very important. If you don't have the laptop, that doesn't mean you cannot perform well. You can perform well with the phone also, but you need to put the phone aside, put your confidence, and then speak, right? When you get nervous, your voice gets something different, right? It looks like you're so much nervous and so many things. Keep a water side, right, with you. Have a sip with it. Nobody will stop you to have it, right? And the knowledge is
Yes.
very important. See, it could be, maybe the interviewer can, take this out, your fairness and everything. But the knowledge is very important to clear out the exam, right?
Yes, sir.
Please learn, as ma'am has told you about what kind of feedback she has given you.
I
Okay,
feel
ma'am.
you do retain well. I mean, I was surprised. You know, Global Desis by Anita Dongre. I
Correct.
was not expecting. So, which means if you read, you retain. So
Mm.
use that power.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, ma'am. I'll take care of it next time. Thank you so
Good.
much, sir.
All the
Thank you
best.
so much, ma'am.
Okay.